Good day, everybody. I trust you guys are well on this beautiful day. We almost reaching the end of February, but I'm not here to speak about it. Allow me to speak to somebody and tell them we are all in a different boat. Some have different boats. Some have a canoe. There's many people that know about boats, but allow me to encourage you. We might all be in a different boat. How? But we're all in the same storm. And some people are drowning in the storm because I realized we focus too much on the storm, but not on God. I'm here to tell somebody, never focus too much on your storm, but focus on God. I'm reminded by Paul in the Bible. He focused on when God told him, walk, come walk. That's me, Christ, come walk. We focus too much on the storm. I'm about to drown. I'm here to tell somebody. Paul had a mindset of I'm about to drown. But I'm here to tell you, never focus on the storm, never focus on the condition, but focus on what God can do. Storms are not there permanently. Storms are only there for a short time period. And I'm here to say, Christ will throw in a life jacket and help you. The way He will help you will send people your way to help you in your storm. Your storm is not there forever. I'm here to tell you, your storm is coming soon to an end. I don't know if it's a storm of depression, or storm where people, your families tearing apart, or storm where you feel like nothing is going your way, or storm where you feel, God, you need to intervene in the situation because my son is about to go to hospital. My son is about to be rushed to prison for something he did not do or something he did. I'm here to tell you, focus on God in your storm. And while you're in that storm, start praising your way through the storm. I'm here to tell somebody, praise your way through your storm, and God will see you through. It will not be there forever, but sooner or later, it will turn around and you will have a smile on your face. I'm here to tell you, we all are in the same storm, but a different boat. We all go through life the same way, but we have different trials, obstacles, and situations that separate us. But God sees everything. May you all be blessed by watching this.